Simbe, ski quá. We were both young when I first saw you. Just to be stuck to your side, not with anybody else, anybody else. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. Finally, we are in sheep farm, that is Poilwa, and me and my classmates, we went for a picnic. We went there before our internal days get started because our internal days is just next week. So before it got started, we went for a picnic, and one of my friend, it's his own village, okay, his own place, so he took us, and the place is so good. See, some of my friends, they're coming. It's so good, and they're already going. Woo! The place is so good. We got such a pleasant day today. Everyone is having their own leisure time. Some are cooking, some are making breakfast, and I'm here busy vlogging. I'll also help them. Chloe, hi.
Hello. How you doing?
Yes. Oh. Yeah, it's so good. Like I always saw, like in Instagram or in social media, people, they used to vlog, they used to click pictures. I used to see them only in pictures, but I finally came to see the new place. It's so good. Later on, I will show you guys the sheep, all the sheep I saw before, okay? But hi guys.
Hi guys. Today we're at Poilwa Sheep Farm
And
USA.
yeah. And what else going on?
We're going to cook.
What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
We're going to make tea right now, I guess.
Don't give me any work, okay? I will show you guys the sheep, okay? I saw before, okay, while coming, but we were so busy carrying stuff and all, but I didn't got time to click and to show around. But later on, I will try to vlog. What is it? Take the video along with the sheep. I will show you guys the sheep also. The place is so good. Let me just chill here alone. Very nice. Oh, so good. If you guys want to spend time alone, then you should surely visit this place. It's very nice. Yeah. So guys, the more excitement, fun is yet to be, yet to be done, yet to become. More excitement, fun. We are going to have fun later on. Now we are also tired, and we are trying to adjust with the new places, new environment. So stay tuned. It's gonna be very interesting. Later on, we are going to play recreation and all, and yeah, I'll show you guys everything. So stay tuned. Don't skip, okay? Without inviting me, dear. Today we are going to cook this.
Some she's don't like.
You want this? They're very naughty. Naughty. My two naughty girlfriend. They're making fire. And some of my girlfriends, they're making bread. Wow. Nice. Girls, say hi.
Hi. Butter, nice. No butter.
Oh my, pretty. Wow. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she Tinja!
College boyfriend material. Woo! Sana. Really?
Lipo Mateo.
Lipo, tila se.
You were only 17.
Looking at raw.
Looking out your window screen. Sweetest girl I ever seen. Straight up out of Project 3. You were on the second floor.
Wow, so good! Very nice! You guys, we are experiencing the bad experience right now. There is a leech and some of friends are already screaming like anything. And now I'm going to one of my friends. There is a leech. Be careful! Let me introduce one of my friends, my singer. Please sing one song. Holy moly. Let me please sing one song. Please play. Gana ekta puri. Gana ek gana baja. Gana ekta baja. Guna, play, please play. Very nice. Please join.
Operation.
More love to call you there.
Oh yes. Kun mi khaina so.
Kun love
To manu la kun wo alcha se chadi na.
Oi, HIV AIDS.
Rao ku shada.
Ay, na pare chhade.
इसको बोल दे
You guys are not humane though. What? What laughing? Jangan sih. Mau orang mau biasa.
फिल्म वीडियो या ऐसे की करो इसको बोल दे
Ay, chardi.
이거 가지고
Ay.
제가.
Hoy, ekbar kun.
ambil order mak
To the afterglow. Kengo, hi. I didn't introduce you. You first time I say it. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, everything is so messy. See, my hungry classmates.
Camera. Okay. 단자 하라고 나.
아씨, 그거 진짜. 괜찮아. 진짜 웨이브 소금 넣어 돼. 진짜 웨이브 소금 넣어. 그거 왜 먼저? 왜? 야, 왜? 오케이, 원, 투, 고.
Let me introduce my girlfriends, my classmate. Say hi. And they are so pretty. You guys are enjoying. And behind this is the one, the our videographer. Yeah. Kue.
진짜 썰비.
Someone is so happy today. Yeah. Everyone is having fun. And moreover, it's very hot also. We're getting sunburned. And
Hello, Molly.
it's already captured. Our cook is working so hard. Namya, hi. He is our cook. And
Injured in action.
what happened?
That is the burn.
Angon.
That's right.
Oh, here.
हम लोगों का भात ये है.
The bar is
I'm not taking the face. Okay. Ngam, this is for. Okay. Everything is so messy. All the experts are working here. I should capture this. Oh. I'm not taking. It's okay, Hinja. Patchuliase, Mohalla Patchuliase. These are the girls. Guys, say hello. Yeah. the strong guys who are chopping the meat. Zappa, say hello. Hepong, say hi. This is Miss Sakuna Chang. Say hi. You look so pretty. Woo. This is the real Malik. He's the one who took us to sheep farm, right, Alia? And then you will take us to your place, right? Okay. Okay. Sunburn. We're already getting sunburn. And who is this? My pretty babe. So guys, we're going to have food now, and you're all ready. It's gonna be delicious. This is boar, this is cucumber, what is this? This is machinga bata. Wow. We're all going to have together in one these banana leaves. It's gonna be fun. Now they are ready to have food. My hungry classmates. They are so messy like anything. You try mukbang? Mukbang try gue mukbang?
This eating na? This eating.
My friends are having mukbang. This is a mukbang, the real mukbang. Oh my god. They are the last men standing. They are still having. See? This is the food we made it. Simbe, Simbe. We're leaving and we're going to river. I couldn't able to visit the place where there is sheep because it's not allowed. They said that so many people are visiting this the place where the sheep is there, so we are not even allowed to visit. So we are not going. I can't able to show, but while going, let's see if I can able to show you guys if it's there. Then I'll take a short clip. Yeah. I barely got sunburned. It's okay. It was also fun. Again, we are going to river. We are going to play. We couldn't play recreation because we got less time. So it's okay. Still time is here. We'll have fun next time. Yeah, stay tuned, okay? See you soon, guys. Sheep is over there. See. We can't enter, okay? We can't enter inside because they are not allowing us. See? Andy, over there. The place is. Oh. Yeah. What? There is no sheep, but the place is so pretty. It's very beautiful. So sad, guys. There is no sheep. I can see one sheep over there. See, I'll show you. Okay. See, this is the one. This is the one. This is it. But can't see. We are late. But the place is very good. It's also so beautiful. And these beautiful and handsome people. Goina! Say what you want to say. No, you're still time. Not yet.
Subscribing our channel.
No, this is not the time to say bye.
Welcome back to another
We're
video.
going to another place.
Again, we are going to river.
Again, we are going to another spot.
Yeah.
Come for us.
Hmm.
Hey, yo guys, welcome back to another video. Ngày tám ka mas YouTube.
She's acting like brother Molamba. So guys, finally we are leaving. Welcome to Sheep Farm, Poilwa Village, District, Beren. Bye. Bye.
Okay, thank you.
God guys, my face, I already got sunburn. From next morning though, my face will be like so black. Guys, we're going to river, we're going to swim.
And you show even the river spot.
Yeah, I'll show now, wait. We
are going to swim now.
My monkey friends, they're showing, we are running like this.
Wait for me. Oh my god.
Come fast.
Come fast.
Not only me, we are so excited. We are all so excited. Watch, okay, guys. Oh my god, they're excited like anything. Whoa, this is a spot. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so good, nah? Yeah, it's very nice. Come fast! One monkey is running. Run! Josh! You guys having fun? Are you guys having fun?
Yes,
This is so good! Yeah, I know, right?
Ito mula phone na keeper.
Whoa! Guys, so good! Oh my god!
the mountain. Run, run, run. Run, run, run.
So guys, we are done with swimming. I tried swimming, but I didn't. We played inside the water, and finally, oh, my hair is also wet. So my friends, they are chilling. They are busy in their own. What they say, they are busy in their own time. Some of my friends, see, and then the place is so good. It's so good, and I'm loving it. Everything is so good.
It's a video, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's a good photo. Yeah, bye, go do that. Okay, so guys, we are heading back, and we just took our good photo also. So see you all in my next video. No. Bye.
Apa?